So you want to build a website, but you're not a coder and hiring a developer sounds expensive? You're not alone. Welcome to the world of WordPress, the most popular website building platform on the planet. With WordPress, there's no coding needed. There are thousands of themes to choose from, and you get full customization. Whether you're launching a blog, starting an online store, or building a portfolio, WordPress gives you the tools to create something amazing, all without touching a single line of code. In fact, over 40% of all websites on the internet are powered by WordPress. Why? Because it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and endlessly customizable. But let's be honest, getting started can be really confusing. Where do you even begin? That's where this video comes in. This is your step-by-step roadmap to getting started with WordPress without the stress. I'll break it all down in plain English, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. Let's start with the top challenges that trip most beginners up. First, the overwhelming dashboard. Too many tabs, settings, and options right from the start. Next, choosing between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Pick the wrong one, and you might lose out on control. Then, there's theme confusion. Finding a theme that fits your brand and actually works can be tough. Plugin overload is real. There are thousands, and it's hard to know which ones are safe or even necessary. Hosting and setup, domains, hosting, SSL, what does it all mean? And once your site is live, no one tells you how to actually optimize it for SEO, speed, or security. Plus, when you use free tools, there's often little or no support. If something breaks, you're on your own. If this feels overwhelming, you're not alone. The good news is, you don't have to figure it out alone. Enter Fiverr, a global marketplace full of expert WordPress coaches, designers, and developers who are ready to walk you through the process, step by step. Why hire a WordPress coach or trainer? First, you save time. No more hours spent Googling every little thing. Second, you avoid mistakes. The wrong plugin or theme can break your site or slow it to a crawl. And third, you look professional from day one. You only get one shot at a first impression. Here are 4 top-rated WordPress tutorial experts on Fiverr who've helped thousands of beginners succeed. Shakib Shone offers friendly walkthroughs and tutorials for total beginners. Awais Cameron hosts live coaching sessions to help set up your first site. Irfan Malik is perfect for visual learners. His screen-recorded video guides are gold. D-Thrive is great for entrepreneurs launching branded sites. And Hafiz Hassan is ideal for small business owners needing one-on-one support. You'll find links to each of these experts pinned down on this video and in the description below. Check their packages and reviews to find your best match. WordPress is one of the most powerful platforms out there, but starting can feel like a mountain to climb. With the right guidance, you can build faster, avoid the usual pitfalls, and actually enjoy the process. Whether it's a blog, a business site, or your online store, your dream site is just a few smart steps away. Click the links in the description to connect with a trusted WordPress expert on Fiverr. Learn smarter, build faster, launch with confidence. This is your time. Start building today.